guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If it's your first time seeing this video, please hit the notification bell so that you don't miss my next video. In this video, I'm going to be giving you an update on what happened on House of Zwide today's full episode. Quickly, let me give you a recap on what happened yesterday. Now bought Una a mug. Sans ulambile, ucheke efrijini, thola ukuthi everything is empty. Now ukhuluma yedwa. So I suggest ukuthi baphume just to be with Umzala for the last time because uyahamba ubuyela back home. Now Umzala uyafika nesitory sokuthi yena akafuna ukuhamba. Hayi lo Mzala lo, it's not make sure. On today's episode, Jo went out with her friends because bahlezi bakhuluma bathi uKeleto akasenandaba nabo because now she's dating blah blah blah. So umgele uzama ukufitha in manje and akhohlwe i-relationship yawe no kids. While Kelecho and her friends were enjoying the food, they started to go live and they start to call Uked a loser. Ugathi umzala waSoga uzohlupha la. He's taking advantage of Soga because bawumndeni. I was at a shop and the message popped in and he saw a live where Kelecho and her friends were talking about him, saying he's a loser. And now Mugai uheads. Now ugel uyabona ukuthi hayi umuntu wako ngathi uyamziba. Now she starts to record to confirm their plans and she's feeling like vele ukahle uyamziba and vele uyamziba because he's hurt, guys. Una has a stress and the stress kineo. Shogi can tell ukuthi Una she's not over uneo. Now Keleso she's frustrated and asa dumedisha le malome Molefe ke ra chomi. Ended up opening up to malome Molefe gore cat that's ignoring her. Molefe le Molefe and he was listening to the whole conversation. Wa umtshela uKeleto ukuthi if I was cat le nna bektokwata because what you said girl was awful. So Vel Mugele chooses her friends over Katlego because she wanted to fit in. And Molefe was like, Kele, inagane girl. Ngiyamzwela uSoga cause he don't see anything about umzala wakhe ukuthi this Mzala thing is not make sure. Sansa being Sansa is now complaining to Soga because ukhathele umfana muntu shem. Athi ubheka la i-snacks iyaphela, athi ifriji nayo uyabona ukuthi ayakusebenzeki. So Soga think uSansa unomuno umzala wakhe. Hayi majority of the pandemic, Kelechi ran after Cat, wants to know why he's ignoring her. By the look, Cat is hurt, Shem, indeed. Now Kelechi wants to play the victim, not knowing Cat saw the whole video. Umzala kaSoga udala inkinga, ngiyakutshela. He don't want to contribute. And awufuna ukudla nje, he wants to stay for free, but he don't want to contribute anything. Ngisho nokucleana indlu nje, akafuni lutho. He now reminds Soga about into zakudala ukuthi wamenzelani basesikolweni. Yo, very much for watching and don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment.